Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. It's been a while since I've made a POV, but I'm back on the grind. I just don't like to milk the content too much, which is why I always switch it up a little bit with some different kind of videos. Then I come back with some POVs, but I'm just leaving a soccer game. It was a pretty good game. Damn, this guy ain't even looking. I'll let him go first. But yeah, I'm back again with another POV. And if you guys saw today, I did post on my the community tab thing. I am gonna do a merch drop for the first time because I've always wanted to do like a clothing brand. I've actually tried this way back, probably when I was in like 8th grade or something. At that time I was probably like 14 or like 13, and now I'm 20, bro, and I'm back at it again because I used to do YouTube as well on gaming. I tried a merch drop back then, but I did not really understand the whole like website creating thing, but I'm pretty good at it now, so you guys can check that out. I'll put some pictures of it on screen for you guys to see what it looks like. But you know, a sick merch drop coming, so as soon as it drops I'm gonna publish the website. So yeah, you guys feel free to go check it out. I'm only gonna show you guys the black one right now because that's the only one I took pictures in so far, but I'm gonna have in black and white so you guys can pick whatever one you want. Yes sir, bro. Feels good to do a POV again. And the thing is, when I don't make POVs, I actually don't even like step on the car or nothing. So the only time I actually drive this car, like actually floor it and enjoy the car, is when I'm making a POV. When I just got the tune, I used to do it way more. I used to floor the car all the time and just, you know, always Sport Plus. But after I got used to it, haven't really done it that much unless I'm recording a video. But it feels good to be having fun in this car again. And also my business that I do, I talk about it in quite a lot of my videos for you guys, but I am making a website. I'll put it up on screen if the website is already published. If not, it's gonna be up really soon. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be up by the time you guys are seeing this video though. But the website is up. If you guys want anything for your BMW, feel free to check out my website as well. The prices are super good and shipping is super fast. I do it all myself, so you guys can actually trust it. It's my products, I sell them myself, I ship them out myself. But yeah, you guys feel free to go check that out. But enough of me talking and plugging everything. Damn, I'll let you guys hear the car. Damn, bro, it's good to be pushing this car again. Only thing I'm going on the highway, bro. I don't like to do POVs on the highway. I just find it not as fun. Damn. See, I could cut up and all of that on the highway, but I'm not really about all that, to be honest, bro. I used to. If you guys go way back on my channel, you guys will see some videos like that, but I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of all of that anymore. Bro, I should have went around. I just didn't know if he was gonna pass the truck in time. Alright, bro. Give you guys a little cutting up. Bro, it is windy as fuck though. But yeah, I used to cut up a lot, bro, especially when I had the Lexus. I used to do that all the time on the highway. That's actually how I started YouTube. But I'm not really about all that anymore, bro. It's just not worth the risk if you actually think about it. I feel like a proper POV with you guys here in the car and me just talking, I feel like those are better, in my opinion at least. Because when you're on the highway cutting up, you don't really hear the car nor get to enjoy the car. It's really just sliding in and out of traffic, but it's really not worth it, bro. If you get a ticket or if you get caught, probably your car will get impounded. You get like your license suspended, your insurance is gonna go up. It's just not really worth it, bro. Because I know I'm saying it's not worth it, and I'm still here doing it a little bit, but I'm just doing it just so you guys see. Because a lot of you guys actually ask me like, yo, cut up on the highway. So this is just a little bit of it. Probably take down like 2 more cars. Plus my car, bro, it being so low, it is not the best car to be cutting up with. It is super risky because if there's a bump like that, I could easily just break my lip or lose control of the car if I slam too hard on the ground. So there's a lot of risk into play, bro. That's why I don't even do it that much. I am trying out this wide angle again, just because you guys can see everything and it's easier to set up the camera, because if I use the more zoomed in angle, I have to get the perfect setup, and if I even move like the camera a little bit, it's gonna be out of frame. So I'm trying this wide angle again. Let me know if you guys like it. If not, though, I could just easily go back to the more zoomed in one, because this might be zoomed out a little bit too much. But yeah, if you guys like it though, you can always go back to that, or I could stick to this one, whichever one is better for the videos. Put my window down, you guys can hear the car a little better. Damn. There's always cops down here though. Always. Jesus. Imagine there's a cop behind me. Bro, this car is nasty, bro. Stock exhaust. I can imagine what a full-on exhaust sounds like. Bro, I love this car, bro. I swear, I know, like, I made a video way back saying I'm selling the car. I am still selling it if I get the right price. I was trying to make it pop there. But yeah, if I get the right price, still for sale. But bro, if I could afford to keep this car and get another car, trust me, I would, bro. I certainly would. But currently, I don't feel like I'm ready for two cars. Well, not two nice cars at least. If I get like let's say M4 or M340i, if I get one of those, I might get like a car for winter, just a little beater. But to own two nice cars like this and another crazy car, I don't know. I don't think I'm ready for that. I need one sport car and one practical one. Yeah, that's a crazy German Shepherd. That one's mad fluffy. I have a little puppy as well. Damn. But yeah, I have a little German Shepherd. It's a girl and she is 7 months, so getting big, but not fully grown quite yet. Bro, this car sounds amazing, bro. I swear, these pops are the best settings. I used to have them in max. I don't know if you guys remember that. It was way too much, but this setting, bro, it's just perfect. It's just perfect, bro. You guys can check out my older video. It's somewhere on my channel with going over my settings for the pops. Damn, bro. And I use MHD as well. That shit sounds juicy as fuck, bro. It's because I'm in all this traffic, bro. I swear, I would be stepping on it every time I make a video. I'm always stuck in traffic. But to be fair, this road, bro, it's always traffic. If you guys from Ottawa, you should know, Island Park, always traffic, bro. No matter what time it is. This car is lovely, G. And just because so much people are walking their dogs, I don't even want to make it pop too much. Sounds like a freaking jet. Yeah, I haven't actually like had fun in this car, like actually drove the car properly in probably like a week, bro, or like 2 weeks. So that's super long, and I drive every single day. Since recently, bro, I've just been cruising, doing the speed limit. I always do the speed limit though, but since recently, bro, I've always just been chilling, driving in comfort, doing the speed limit. Because I've been working on a bunch of stuff, bro. I'm running up the merch for the first time. Super excited for that. If you guys decide to cop any, feel free to shoot me a message on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram on screen. And same with the car store with all the mods and stuff. That's actually what I'm calling it, the car store. It's a name, I don't know, bro. It's just a catchy name. I started it with that. I started the business with that name, and I just like it. The name just grew on me. But yeah, I've just been working on that, bro, all week. I've been making the websites. I do it all myself. Making the pictures, editing the pictures, taking the pictures. It's a bunch of stuff, but you know, it's super fun because I like what I'm doing. But yeah, if you guys cop anything, bro, like any of my merch, anything from the car store, feel free to shoot me a text on Instagram, bro. Just send me a picture with it and stuff. I'll give you guys a shout out. I'll repost your thing if you want. But yeah. This car just wants to get up, and it's rear wheel drive. If you guys watched my last video when my friend drove in my car for the first time, look at this guy slamming on his brake, bro. sir, bro. People. I do let people in, but don't just go slam on your brake like that. That's what causes accidents. I'm about to zoom past these people. Put my window up because it's gonna be mad windy. But yeah, if you guys watched my last video, you guys saw my friend reacting to my BMW for the first time. It was super fun. He lives like 5 hours away from me. The drive was closer to 6 hours, to be honest, because I had to stop, get food, stuff like that. But it was super fun. It was worth it. I spent the day over there. Spent the night, actually. Came back the day after, but it was a sick video if you guys haven't checked that out yet. Bro, it's like 8:40 and it's still not even dark out yet. Do you guys actually like winter? Because I'm in Canada, so winter lasts like 6 months here, bro. Because I like it, to be honest. It's cool, it looks cool and stuff, but it's too long. That's the only thing I don't like. And I feel like if yeah, they have a Type R over here. It's actually mad clean. Damn. Yeah, I need a car wash as soon as I saw that, bro. But yeah, I feel like if I wasn't into cars though, I would like winter way more. Because I like it, it's just the fact that I can't do anything to my car. I can't actually drive it, and you have to put on winter tires, bro, if like you drive the same car in winter. Damn. But yeah, that's the only thing, bro, I don't like about winter. If it was shorter, then sure, but 6 months, bro, with winter tires, not being able to do anything to your car, can't even wash the car, really. That's the only thing I don't like. See, the dream would be to have 2 cars, like this, and a car for winter. Because then I could actually do way more to this. I could make it lower, I could make it way faster, stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think in the comments, bro. I'm just gonna go down here and back up. Damn. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, bro. I know I say it a lot, but do you guys think I should finish building this car? Like, I could do way more, bro. I haven't done side skirts. I could get like new tail lights, stuff like that, bro. I could probably even potentially single turbo it. Let me know if you guys would want to see that, like I actually finished building this car. Right now my car has 159,000 kilometers. It looks a lot, but it's really not that much, because in miles it's not even 100,000 miles. So it has a good amount of life left in it, bro. I could actually keep this car for like a couple more years if I really wanted. And there's hella people sitting out there. But yeah, I could keep it for like a couple more years if I really wanted, bro. But let me know if you guys would want to see that, or you guys just want to see a new car. Because I could finish this, bro. I could finish this car because it's already far in the process. Damn, G. Yo, truly want to finish it, but I also freaking want another car, bro. Either the S55 or the B58. Ah, no pops. Damn. But that would be super fun, bro. So let me know what you guys think. Like, genuinely, bro, let me know what you guys think. Because I could do whatever, bro. I could get a new car. I could just finish building this car. And I could still get a car for winter. If I decide to go like single turbo and everything on this, I could just get a winter beater. Let me know what you guys think, though. Because even like an exhaust, I could do all of that. Like I said, the car has 159,000 kilometers. So it's not the lowest, but it's also not crazy high. I could definitely keep this car a little bit more. Yeah, it's not the lowest kilometers, but it's also not crazy high. Damn, fucking gunshots. There's a dead skunk there, bro. That shit's gonna smell. I think about it so much to just slide my car around this, but I don't know. I'm not sure how confident I am in doing that. Bro, this intake sounds crazy. That's why I don't want to get rid of this car. I know whatever car I get next, I'm gonna make it like this or better than this. But I'm just gonna miss this car because I feel like as much as I'm gonna make the other car just as good, I feel like this one is just unique in its own way. bro. This car sounds too good, bro. Because I know I say it's for sale, and one guy came to look at it, and bro, I was freaking. I wanted to cry, bro, because I'm like, I hope this guy does not buy the car, but I also want him to buy it. Fucking hell, bro, that car. This thing is too much fun, bro. Let me know what you guys want, bro. If you want me to finish this car, I can finish this car. If you guys want me to sell it, I can sell it. It's really up to you guys, bro. Because it's a win-win for me. If I get to keep this car, I'll be happy. If I sell it and get another car, I'll still be happy. So it's completely up to you guys.